Hi, I'm Gordon from Camera Labs, and this is a very quick look at the Canon RF 28mm f2.8, the slimmest lens for the EOS R system to date. Announced in May 23 and costing around £360, the RF 28 is a wide-angle prime designed for EOS R mirrorless bodies only. Mount it on a full-frame body like the R8, 6 or 5 and it will deliver mild wide-angle coverage, while fitting it on a cropped body with an APS-C sensor like the R100, 50, 10 or 7 will reduce the coverage to 45mm, turning it into a standard lens. Measuring 69mm in diameter, just 25mm long and weighing a mere 120 grams, the RF28 becomes one of the smallest and lightest lenses in the system to date, a true pancake lens which transforms the portability of any body you mount it on. Here's the RF28 on the R100 body, launched alongside it, making an impressively compact combination weighing less than half a kilo. Given the size, it's not surprising to find only one ring, and a slim one at that, performing double duty as manual focus and RF control, with a switch to choose between those functions. As a lower price lens, it's unsurprisingly not weather sealed, although it does at least have a metal lens mount, while at the other end is a 55mm filter thread. Focusing is performed by an STM motor, which mildly extends the barrel in use and also when you power up. The closest focusing distance is 23cm, resulting in 0.17 times magnification. Now, in order to achieve the compact size, Canon's employed some pretty innovative looking non-circular elements in the rear of the lens with a complex profile that kind of resembles a seagull with outstretched wings or perhaps an elaborate moustache. It'll be interesting to see how it compares to Canon's other pancake lenses, including the EFS 24mm 2.8 and EF 40mm 2.8, both of which can be snapped up at a comfortably lower price, but losing some of their compact charm when mounted on a mirrorless camera with an adapter. Or there's the EFM 22mm f2, again at a lower price, albeit this time only for the EOS M system. The bottom line though will be the performance of the RF28 in practice, and once I've tested a final production sample, I'll link to it here and also provide some samples at cameralabs.com. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.